What's up, everybody? Today we are making the viral TikTok pancake cereal. Dairy-free, obviously. Okay, guys, Mommy's trying to make a video. Today we are making the viral pancake cereal. So we're gonna have... Manage your hands.
In the pockets where they can do no harm.
So we are going to have 2 bowls, one for the dry ingredients. Stop touching the bowl. We are going to do 1 for the dry ingredients and 1 for the wet ingredients, and then we're going to combine them. So first, we are going to start with a cup of flour. We've got 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder with half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and now the wet ingredients.
Okay, so we have 1 cup of oat milk.
It's almond milk.
Almond milk. And then 1 cup of brown liquid.
No, so this is not just brown liquid. It is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Where's the whisk?
That could have been bad. Okay.
You ruined it. So we transferred it into a bottle, and this is just gonna help us easily squeeze it out, hopefully. But yeah, so before you even start to make your pancakes, you wanna let the batter sit for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Shall we?
Yes.
All right, so here is our bowl of pancakes.
Mini pancakes. Such a brilliant idea. Did you ever watch Beyblade as a kid?
You're such an idiot.
Let it rip.
Let's not have you in these videos anymore. So we're just gonna put some vegan butter and some maple syrup, and then we're gonna get into it. It looks so good.
I'm excited.
Well, it's not like we haven't had pancakes before, it's just that we haven't had pancakes in a very long time.
Oh my god, look at this.
I got 1, look how many you got.
14. What?
I fucking know. That's great.
Oh my god, first of all, I've never put butter on pancakes. This is my first time.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You're good, right? Mm-mm. You're good with this? As good as that is, what's the point of making mini pancakes when you can just make regular pancakes?
Because you can't do this. We will see you next week for another video.
Yes. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you think.
Bye.